Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 16 Plus. For that we will need the side button 4 and the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, and if you tap now on the preview you have also the chance to edit the screenshot. Now you can crop here a part of the screenshot if you want, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And here you can also, with these pens, draw something inside. If you don't have them, you can tap here to let them appear. And then choose one pen and then you can draw something inside or highlight something as you want. After you can share this edited part directly, or on done, you can save it to your photos, to the files, or at the quick notes. Okay, I prefer to save it at the photos. Yeah, and where are screenshots? Of course, at the photos. And here it is. And by the way, if you scroll down a bit here, you will find here at the point pin collections an own folder only for your screenshots. What is pretty nice. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe the next time. Ciao.